Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Ease of Access so you can change how command prompt behaves. Press Windows plus U to jump directly there. This saves time and puts the right panels on screen. Once open, look for keyboard and interaction categories because command prompt uses those settings. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator. If not, you won't be able to apply system-wide changes. Now that you're in the right place, move to the specific options for text, cursor, and keyboard behavior. You now adjust specific options that affect command prompt. Under Display, increase text size or enable high contrast so commands are readable during long sessions. Then go to Keyboard Settings and turn on Filter Keys or Sticky Keys if you need help with rapid or repeated keystrokes. For precise CMD controls, open Command Prompt, right-click the title bar, choose Properties, and set cursor thickness, font, and layout. These changes reduce errors and make the terminal easier to use. Apply them and test a few commands. You finish by saving settings and restarting command prompt so all changes take effect. Some options require a session restart to show correctly. If something feels worse, revert individual settings rather than all at once so you can isolate the cause. Make sure you test common tasks like copy-paste and arrow navigation. If features still fail, run the Windows Accessibility Troubleshooter from Settings to detect conflicts, and make sure third-party utilities aren't overriding your changes before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.